Hello and welcome back to TF Delicacies. This week we're going to be making SHAAMI kebabs. These are good and delicious pick-me-ups that you can have anywhere, anytime. I assure you that these are going to be the most eye-catching appetizers out there. To make this recipe, you're going to be needing 300 grams of ground meat, 1.5 teaspoons of red chili powder, salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half a lime, 5 to 6 green chilies, a handful of coriander and mint, 25 grams of cashews, 25 grams of dry coconut, 25 grams of roasted chickpeas, and you also need 1 cup of curd and 1 to 2 cups of oil. First off, we're going to be cooking the ground meat. Keep the pot over the stove and pour 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is heated, add the ground meat. Keep 1 tablespoon of the meat though, because we're going to be using it for later. Add the ginger and garlic paste, chili powder, and turmeric. Cook this on medium-low heat. Make it even juicier, add a little bit of water, and let it cook for 10 minutes. Don't mix it yet. We're going to be doing this later. Before we get back, I have a question. What kind of table can you eat? Any guesses? A vegetable. Let's get back to the dish. Mix it thoroughly. Keep it on low for at least 5 minutes and then add salt to taste and garam masala. Leave this until all the water has evaporated. Mix this well and squeeze in the lime. Add some green chilies, coriander, and mint leaves for some extra freshness. Now that the meat is all dry, we're going to be letting it cool down for a little bit. Till then, we're going to be grinding the roasted chickpeas, cashews, and dry roasted coconut into a powder. This is going to help the SHAAMI kebabs stay together while they're going to be fried. Then, put the dry powder into a separate bowl. Once the meat has cooled, add it into the mixture with the raw meat we left out earlier. Add in the rest of the curd. After that, add this into the powder we grinded earlier and fold it in until it forms into a dough. If the meat is loose, add 1 tablespoon of wheat flour. This step, of course, is optional. Since the meat is loose, it won't fry very well, so it's necessary that we add in the wheat flour. To shape the SHAAMIs, first apply a little bit of oil onto your hand. Then take a little bit of dough and gently tap it into the shape you want it to be in. Here, as you can see, we're making it into a circular shape, but you can make it into a diamond, square, or rectangle, whatever shape you want it to be. Here we have heated the pan on medium heat, and now we're adding in 2 tablespoons of oil. To check if your oil is ready, add a little bit of dough into it. If the dough is sizzling, it means it's time to add in the SHAAMI kebab. As one side of the SHAAMI kebab has become golden brown, flip it and cook it well on the other side as well. For another reference, here is how you make a diamond-shaped SHAAMI kebab. Voila! Your SHAAMI kebabs are now ready to eat. You can have this with rice, rotis, or burgers. Your choice. Comment down below what you think of this recipe. If you liked this video, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.